okay, babe. It's alright, honey.
Mommy.
They totally ran it.
Mommy.
We're okay, baby.
And once it's brewed, you add some cold water, and supposedly that makes everything settle. And then you can pour it hot. Oh, shit. That guy just ran the light. Okay, Garmin.
Flat tires. Aparte tu maestra llega y me dice, oye. Mira. Aguas con este güey. Aguas.
Un nudo en la garganta.
Die je rustig kan bekijken op engie.be. Daar zijn we op onze persoon. Dan kan je terecht bij ons contactcenter. We hebben ons team verdubbeld.
Dude, I'll tell you this, man. Just watch, I know it's sometimes when you see a clip online, it's just a moment, but I would be fucking terrified to walk anywhere near like those Portland. It is.
Oh, Lord. What's going on?
What was that?
I have no idea.
What the fuck, dude? Turn on your fucking lights!
Are you fucking joking me, dude? Put that shit off. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Would you like to reply?
No.
Okay.
What are you doing, bro? What? Our light was green. I don't know, my light was green.
Your light was green. I was crossing the street on the crosswalk. The UPS truck tried to...
Before we continue, send us your dashcam videos, link in description.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna turn it into a break-even thing.
That's scary.
I'm talking about it, I'm just like,
Oh my
this is
god.
obviously just gonna happen. I'm not gonna fucking bother to resist it. Let's just go.
Yeah.
Let's go off on all fucking.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not fearful. I'm pretty. Yep. Yeah, you're not fearful. Well, I got you, man. Well, congratulations.
God damn it! Fuck!
Jeez.
What do you want me to do? Fuck.
Or she's just an impatient bitch.
It could be column A, column B.
Column C3PO.
Twat!
Jesus.
Ships and jump zones wherever he wished, and changed the equation completely. Thatcher's opportunities for seizing the element of surprise had become severely limited, and surprise was the essential ingredient of space drive. Yes, he still found profit in engaging cog forces as they spread themselves thinner and thinner throughout first Pullman and then Hyde, in their attempt to control the two regions as soon as
that these arrests, which really were essentially kidnappings, would happen during the night, with people simply disappearing during the night. They would be detained and they would be tried in secret courts. On December 12, 1940.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and you might get a free cookie.